How to change aspect ratio in Final Cut Pro. This is going to show you how to change from vertical phone video to YouTube size videos or whatever you're trying to do. So what you're going to want to do first of all is not click on the video in the Final Cut Pro editing section, as you can see here on the right hand side where you might expect it to be. What you're going to want to do is click the project itself. So here you'll see the projects in the top left hand corner. So you want to go ahead and click on the project. Then at the top right there, you will see that you can click on modify. That's what you're going to want to click on. So for me, I have this vertical phone video. I wanted to change it to a regular 1080p HD YouTube size video. So you can go ahead and click and change that in there. You can go ahead and click on OK, and then it will change. You'll see it has like a wider background. It'll be usable for YouTube. So you can do the opposite if you want a vertical video for, let's say, TikTok or Instagram, etc. You can do that in here too. But that's how it's done. Leave a like on the video if it helped and subscribe for more helpful videos.